Hello beautiful people and welcome back to our channel. This video is all about how to effectively study history. I know everyone who took history as a subject in 11th and 12th or maybe in any class because we are studying history from 6th standard. It is sometimes too much difficult to study because the chapters are too long as well as NCERT's language sometimes go too difficult. So here in this particular video I'll be taking the context of class 12th history, like how stepwise you may learn or study history, and maybe not 100% but you will definitely see changes in your performance or your studies. To everyone who took history in class 12th, you all know that there are 12 chapters in total and they are so long. Like each and every chapter goes beyond 30 pages and has too much of information to learn, to revise and everything. So here to give you context, I am taking chapter 9 of history, that is first chapter of the third book of history. So we'll start with point number 1. See, if you are studying the chapter for the very first time, you should never directly start reading the NCERT, never, because if you do so, you will get nothing but be confused, as well as you'll procrastinate too much because you will not understand anything. So before starting any chapter, first just go through all the topics the chapter has, like the main topics, its subpart. Understand the topic, like yes, I am going to study this particular thing in this chapter, in this particular topic. Or you may also watch one short video that is of 40-50 minutes on YouTube to get an overview of the chapter कि इस chapter में actually है क्या. You will know this. तो तुम जब NCERT पढ़ोगे तो you will get an idea कि मैं इसमें क्या पढ़ने वाली हूँ या क्या पढ़ने वाला हूँ. And only after doing this you will move to second point, that is going through the NCERT, like thoroughly going through your NCERT, because now you have an idea, so it will be a bit easier for you to study the NCERT. और इसके बाद फिर तुम थोरो रीडिंग स्टार्ट करो अपनी NCERT की. लाइक एक बार में पूरा चैप्टर मत पढ़ो, डिवाइड करो. 20 मिनट में मैं ये चैप्टर पढ़ूँगी, उसको मतलब इतना टॉपिक पढ़ूँगी, उस टॉपिक को पढ़ने के बाद फिर रिवाइज करो, मतलब बुक बंद करके कि हाँ मैंने ये चीज़ें इस टॉपिक में देखी. एक्टिव रिकॉलिंग करो. I know this particular method is a bit time taking, but believe me, this is not just time taking, but it will also be effective for you. And in this manner, finish that chapter. Like now you have gotten first reading of your chapter, and you all know that first reading round is not enough to thoroughly learn the chapter. You have to read it again and again, not on the same day, लेकिन बाद में 5 दिन बाद when you will revise it. And तुम जितनी बार भी NCERT पढ़ोगे, you will get newer things to be learned. Like वो चीज़ जो तुमने पहली रीडिंग में नहीं पढ़ी या फिर सेकेंड रीडिंग में नहीं पढ़ी, वो शायद तुम फोर्थ रीडिंग में समझो या पढ़ो. And also notes are important in history. Like I know it is a long process for making notes, but they are effective. You will get it कि जब उसके टाइम पे, एग्ज़ाम के टाइम पे तुम बुक से नहीं पढ़ सकते. अगर तुम पढ़ सकते हो तो वेरी गुड, बट if I tell you on my basis, you cannot study the whole chapter at that particular time when you have so much of pressure, you have to give the exam. At that time, notes are very important. Also, if you want to know how to make notes, like how we make notes, do comment down notes, and we will make a separate video for that in future. not the least step is to watch a video. Now this is not any sponsor or something, that is my opinion. लाइक इफ़ यू आर ह्यूमैनिटी स्टूडेंट, तुम्हें ट्विन ब्रोज नाम के यूट्यूब चैनल के बारे में पता होगा, जिसमें काफ़ी सारा कंटेंट है ह्यूमैनिटी से रिलेटेड। तो उन्हीं की एक सीरीज़ है जिसका नाम है फंसना पक्का है सीरीज़, जिसमें चैप्टर वाइज क्वेश्चंस की वीडियो है। एक वीडियो में तुम्हें पूरा चैप्टर कवर्ड मिल जाएगा। तो चैप्टर करने के बाद तुम वो वीडियो देखो, लाइक क्वेश्चन तुमने देखा, फिर वीडियो को पॉज करो, खुद का आंसर फॉर्मुलेट करो कि हाँ हाँ ये इसका आंसर हो सकता है, या फिर लिखो उस आंसर को। सिर्फ बोलना, अगर तुम्हारी राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस भी हो जाएगी इससे, उसको आंसर को लिखो एक बार पूरे पेज में, फिर वीडियो को आगे बढ़ाओ कि आंसर एक्चुअल में है क्या। फिर खुद की गलतियाँ देखो कि तुमने क्या क्या मिस करा है या क्या क्या तुमने गलत छोड़ा है। सो येस, दिस इज़ ऑल व्हाट you may try to study history. If you like the video, do like it, share it, and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Do share your opinion on history और our mistake जो तुम्हें लगती है कि शायद मैंने मिस कर दी, वो सब चीज़ें कमेंट में बता देना। Plus do comment down if you want us to make videos like this, how we study particular subjects of political science, geography or psychology or English maybe. We'll surely provide you with that.